So we made it to the end of the Elastic Load Balancer section and on to the cheat sheet. So there are 3 Elastic Load Balancers: Network, Application, and Classic Load Balancer. An Elastic Load Balancer must have at least 2 availability zones for it to work. Elastic Load Balancers cannot go cross-region. You must create one per region. ELBs have listeners, rules, and target groups to route traffic. NLBs have listeners and target groups to route traffic. And CLBs use listeners, and EC2 instances are directly registered as targets to the CLB. For Application Load Balancer, it uses HTTPS or without the S traffic, and then as the name implies, it's good for web applications. Network Load Balancer is for TCP UDP and is good for high network throughput, so think maybe like multiplayer video games. Classic Load Balancer is legacy, and it's recommended to use ELB or NLB when you can. Then you have the X-forwarded 4, and the idea here is to get the original IP of the incoming traffic passing through the ELB. You can attach Web Application Firewall to ELB because, Web Application Firewall has an application in the name, and NLB and CLB do not. You can attach an Amazon Certification Manager SSL certificate, so that's an ACM, to any of the ELBs to get SSL. For ELB, you have advanced request routing rules where you can route based on subdomain, header, path, and other HTTP information. And then you have sticky sessions, which can be enabled for CLB or ELB. And the idea is that it helps the session remember which EC2 instance based on cookie.